How to create image change hover effect in Wix Studio. So if you want to actually do that, what you can do is you can just head over and then select in here an image that you want to add it into. Then from in there, make sure to open the inspector right here. Once you have opened it, we can see this right here. So since we have the hover effect right here, make sure to expand that and click onto this add option. Now you can choose in here the animation for hovering to that. So for example, you can also preview what that will look like based on this. We have rotation, we have skewing, expanding, as well as shrinking. So we have a lot to choose for this one. So just head over and then just choose. For example, I'll just choose expand. And we can choose in here the hover for the starting animation. And we have in here the animated element, which is the actual element right here. So it can be the text or video box itself right there. So earlier, we actually show right here what that will look like. So that's how you create image change hover effect in Wix Studio. Hope we help.